Semuanya langsung on on.
Udah record ya.
Buka.
Okay, guys. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Very good.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Before starting this podcast, let me introduce myself first. I'm Nurinda Patrurani, as the host of this podcast. Please introduce yourself first in turn.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Indah Sri Wahyuni. I'm from Department of Al-Quran and Tafsir, class 4B. Thank you.
Welcome.
And then?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Dina Oktaviani. I'm from the Department of History of Islamic Civilization. Terima kasih.
Hello guys, my name is Siti Marati. I am from Department Arabic Education.
Okay, thanks for the introduction. Today's podcast will be about social media. You must be familiar with this word, with this right? Who doesn't know social media? So, what do you think about social media?
Okay, in my opinion, social media is an online medium by way of which user can easily participate, share, and create content, including blogs, social network, wikis, form, and virtual world.
In my opinion, social media is media that can make it easy for us to access information.
In my opinion, social media is a place to interact with people without being limited by space and time.
Okay. In your opinion, what are the other functions of social media? Because there are various platforms on social media that you often meet and use. What do you use social media for?
Okay, maybe the first function of social media is used to expand social interaction by using website technology and internet infrastructure. And then the second function of social media is the communication process can be done many, namely communication between many users. For example, WhatsApp group. And the social media that I use quite a lot, including Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and other.
And then next,
social media is like for me. I can easy communication with family who are from you know.
The function of social media for me is means for distance learning as well as entertainment.
Okay. Nah, the main function of social media is indeed often used as a means of communication and information, right? From yourself, what type of social media do you often use? I mean, application on social media that are often used.
Understand us, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook application.
There are so many types of social media. The only I have is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Twitter.
Okay, maybe and before I'm sorry, For social media that I use quite a lot, including Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and others.
Okay. From some of the social media application that you mentioned earlier, they are very common because they are often used by people. So what are the benefits of the application that you use apart from the means for communication and information? Are some of the social media application useful to support learning, profession, or other?
Okay, I'm first. Well, for the benefits of social media, of course, there are many and can be built in the various aspects. The use of social media today is not only for self-exploration, but also for educational development and business development. For the benefits of social media in the field of education, where in this field of education, social media can improve the quality of learning if someone can maximize or use social media properly and correctly. And for the benefits of social media in business, one of them is a promotional medium. Okay, I want tell about social media. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, many educational institutions have been affected by the outbreak, including the Bandung State Islamic University, to stopping face-to-face teaching and learning as activities. For fear of the spread of COVID-19. The use of appropriate learning media greatly affect learning so that a learning process is safe and in accordance with the objective. This makes many educational institutions have to look for alternative learning media in accordance with the condition of study. The government, Ministry of Education and Culture strive so that educator and student can still organize the teaching and learning process even though in different ways. The Ministry of Education and Culture stipulates a regulation that education in Indonesia is still held, but with a different system, namely study for home or SFH, or what we know it is online. In practice, of course, social media plays an important role as one of the media used to interact between educator and student. In addition, social media also plays a role in the facilitating educators to deliver learning material so their teaching and learning activities can still be carried out even though they are not done face to face. Like with me who experienced this, it is very evident that social media plays an important role in the world of education. Many texts do require a social media presence, like the task of writing a paper. The discussion that present in this paper cannot be started from the search form for reference on social media. Thank you.
Okay, next.
Yes, it is very helpful because from 2020 we are starting to learn to use social media, and until now social media application have been very helpful from student and teacher.
Okay. Apart from being a means of communication and information, social media for me is a entertainment in the means of saturated activity. Social media is also very supportive of my learning activities, especially now that distance learning is being carried out.
Yeah, that's right, guys. Social media plays a big role in the world of education, especially for student and education staff. So to support this learning activities, what kind of tasks do you think really need the role of social media? Uh, if you have a side job or online business, isn't this social media very helpful, right?
Yes, yes, but for this, I personally have not experienced it until now. I only focus. However, it is undeniable that the influence of social media on the business world, as I have stated before, like it.
Okay, next.
Yes, because social media is not only able to access information, but social media can also easy access book for student, plus is have online job like selling cosmetic, but now I'm busy with collagen. I can continue.
Yes, social media very helpful for online business. But I don't have business online. But my sister has online business. With the social media, is really help my sister in promoting his words. So the more people who know, the more orders that come in.
Now, after we know what social media is, what its potential is, along with the various types, of course, there will be consequence or impacts from using social media, both positive and negative impacts. So, what do you think about the positive and negative impacts of social media?
Okay, maybe uh, the negative impact of social media include the difficulty of socializing with people around in the real world, and then the fading of the use of formal language, and then the splitted performance of employees, students in each of their activities. Personal privacy uh, and then the emergency of cybercrime. And the last, it is very easy to spread prohibited image or videos such as pornography. And for positive impacts of social media include first is can gather certain family, relatives, and friends. And then as a medium for disseminating the latest information. And then expand your network of friends. And then as a means to develop skill and social. And then that exchange media. And the last is promotional medium in business.
Okay, next.
Thank you.
The positive impact of social media make it easy for us to do many things, cause as order food, access information, pasti terus remote communication, doing business online, studying online, and being able to do course without having to come to the tutor center. Meanwhile, the negative impact of social media education causes us to close lack of time for student and our healthy will be disturbed.
Okay. Media has two sides, a good side and a bad side. Both sides depend on our own use, whether used for good or bad. The impact that I get from the existence of the social media is a more of good impact than a bad impact. The bad impact for me is just game addiction.
Okay. So social media is not only used for communication information, but it's also useful for supporting work or other activities. Okay, guys, podcast is over. So thank you for time. I'm going to say goodbye. Dadah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
wabarakatuh. Listening.